let's shop my closet for more early spring looks. Stay tuned.
When they say she get it from her mama, mama say you fuck her right, body booties. I put that on my mama, on my
Sweetie gang, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Kinshasha Rose, aka Sweet Shash One. Welcome to Lifestyle on the Fly. We are a lifestyle channel, but we focus on fashion and beauty, but we dabble into other content such as DIY, cook with me, travel, relationships, finance, you name it, we talk about it. There's nothing off limit, and if you want to get into anything, feel free to drop a comment below. And if you want to join the game, all you have to do is hit that subscribe button and you are officially a member. So we're back and we're still shopping my closet for more early spring transitional outfits. So we are still dipping into like our winter and our fall clothes, and we're bringing them over to the spring. And I'm gonna show you some outfits that I have that I've worn in the colder months, and I'm going to show you how I transition them to now going into the warmer months such as spring. Okay, so we're going to get started with the first look and we'll get into the details. Okay, so the first look is this pleated dress that was purchased from Zara, and of course I have on some white pumps. I love these white pumps. Get you some, they are so official. They look good with a lot of things. I paired it with this belt just to give the stitch my waist a little bit and give the dress a little detail. And I also have this white button down shirt as well as a brooch and some earrings, very simple jewelry. I paired it with my LV toiletry bag. Of course you could use a white bag. Now that I'm thinking, I probably should have used the white bag instead of this brown bag, but we're gonna work with what we got right now. So yes, this is an outfit that I purchased, I want to say, I think maybe in the fall, going into the winter, somewhere around that time. But as you can see, it's still official where you can still wear it in both seasons. And I'm gonna pop a picture somewhere on the screen so you can see how I styled it when it was a little colder outside. But yes, little dresses that you may have in your closet, with sleeves, no sleeves. These are ways that you can take that same dress that you wore in the winter time, maybe with boots or with tights or stockings. You can let a little leg show and show it off in the springtime, and you still got your arms covered up, so you're still like warm enough but still cool enough, depending on where you live and what time of the day that you wear this look. But it's official. You can definitely wear it for all seasons. I'll be back with the next look. So before we get into the next look, I just want to talk about one particular thing, and that is button-down shirts. Button-down shirts are staples in my closet. The more you watch me, the more you see I use a lot of them. I have several colors, but the most important one is the white button-down. Let's talk about it for a minute. The white button-down is so essential in your wardrobe. I don't care if you have 1 to 100, get you some nice crispy white button down. It's just as important as having a nice crispy white tee, v-neck. Of course, that's what I like to have in your wardrobe. Those pieces is something you can dress up, dress down. It can break or make an outfit. It's something easy to grab, especially if you're trying to put something together. You may have your bottom, you may have your shoes and maybe the accessories, but you can't quite figure out what shirt to wear. Go to a button down. Every time it will kill. Whether you button it down fully, whether you tuck it, you tie it, whether you have a full length or a crop. Get you a few different ones because it can literally make or break an outfit, and it's easy to go to, and it goes with everything, and you can wear it anywhere. Just depends on how you style it. Okay, so I just wanted to talk about that really quick because here I have on a button down here, just like I just had on the white one with that brown dress. This has really light blue and gray and white pinstripes in it, and I'm going to show you how I paired it with the denim on denim. Stay tuned for the next look. Okay, so I'm back with the next look. We all love a good Canadian tuxedo, right? Which is denim on denim. So, you know, you can have a flex. Denim doesn't always have to match. You can match it all up. Sometimes it's a little tricky, but you got to have some balance. And this is what I'm showing you in this dress, which is a jumper dress. This is something really cute to pair in the winter and the spring months. This is something you can wear all year round as well. And I have it here paired with this. I don't know how it's coming out on the camera, but it's like a light blue and gray pinstripe button down. And I paired it with these light blue denim booties and a light denim booty bag. So this is another way to get denim on denim, but you can kind of break it up a little bit with different shades, and then maybe like a shirt or something to kind of break it up a little, but it's still giving the same aesthetic. And booties I love because these are something that you can wear at least 3 months out of the year, the fall, the winter, and definitely early spring. You can get away with wearing it if you're not ready to show them toes yet. You can definitely put on a booty with something depending on what you're wearing, and you're still warm enough but cool enough to rock for the spring. Okay, let me just let you see here. This is the full look. And as you can see, like I said, I like to accentuate the waistline and adding a belt. I love belts. I have so many, get you some. And get different colors. But yeah, this is the full look of our Canadian tuxedo, and we're ready for spring. Okay, so for the next look is something, you know, every girl has that little favorite black dress in their closet. So I'm gonna show you how to style a black dress that's from the winter, but you want to keep it cute, you want to keep it flirty and fun. You know, if you got a vibe, if you're going to a brunch or maybe a day party, whatever your thing is, this is definitely something that you can wear, or how you can pull out your little black favorite dress to make it more casual and fun, but yet flirty. So I paired a few pieces to this look to show you exactly what I mean by pulling that favorite black dress out, and just add a few different elements to it to make it fun. Stay tuned. So this is the look that I'm talking about. This is a full-length black dress. You see it's a little flirty because it's off the shoulder, but I made it a little fun, so I paired a denim belt bag to it, or fanny pack, wherever you want to call it, to it to once again accentuate the waistline, but to kind of dress it down a little, make it a little bit more sporty versus dressing it up where you would dress it up in the winter with maybe different accessories, maybe boots and things like that. I also paired it with a pair of peep toe, which is very spring. You can get away with a peep toe in early spring versus a full sandal. And then I threw on a baseball cap, and I did my signature here where I added a brooch to the cap. That's my thing. Feel free to use it if you like it. And if you're out and you get a little chilly, you can just grab a little moto jacket, throw it over your shoulders. We're not going to put it all the way on, and we're off. So this is a cute way to still, once again, bring your little favorite winter dress over into the spring, but you're just gonna add some different elements to it to make it a little fun and make it more flirty and less dark, so to speak. With pairing it with, like I said, a pair of pumps or a pair of open toe shoes. Add a hat to it if you can, or some type of belt, a brooch, a pin, whatever that's fun for you. Add it and wear it out. Okay, so I'm back with the next look, and I want to just talk about that for a while. I swear, if I could wear one of these every day, I would. I have so many of them. I'm almost ashamed to say how many I have. I have them in all colors, all styles, all fabric. I have a ton of them. One day I'm gonna count how many I have. I know it's at least 20 or more, but that is a jumper or a romper, whatever you decide to call it. But I always call it the lazy girl's best friend, the lazy fashion girl's best friend, because it's easy, it's sleek, you can wear it anywhere, it goes with anything, you don't have to think about it. It's like brainless, no effort at all, but you just put it together with your shoes, your accessories, or what have you, and you are out the door. And they look good on almost everybody's shape. I can't say that I've really seen one bad shape of a jumper on anyone. I feel like anyone can wear it. You could dress them up, you could dress them down. They are staples. Get you a few. I promise you, you won't regret it. I love them. If I could wear it every day, if this was like a uniform, I would wear it literally every day. But I'm gonna show you the one that I have on, and also show you how I'm styling it. As you can see, I have on my white button down again with it because it's strapless, and I do have on my crop. So I feel like when you're wearing jumpers and things like this and you're putting shirts under it, if you could get a crop one just for this look, it's good to have because it's less fabric that you have to kind of stuff down. So get you a crop one just to have for looks like this if you decide to do something like this. But enough of me rambling, let me get to the look. Okay, so I'm back with this pea green or colored romper. This is from Zara's. Also, I found links. These aren't available because I'm shopping my closet, so you know these pieces are old. But I did find comparable pieces to it, and they will be linked below, okay? So, like I said, this is a strapless piece. I paired it with this white button down where I can still, you know, wear it in the spring. But if you want to, you know, you can wear it without the shirt. Put on a jacket if it's a little chilly outside. I paired it with some mules and a bag, and I'm out the door. Like, this is like the easiest thing to wear year round. You can't go wrong with it. So when all else fell, get you a romper. It's like the little black dress that you need. Okay, that's all I can say about it. It's not much you need to say, but yeah, this is it. Also, if you can get a body shirt that looks like a button down, that would be really good for something like this. I wish I had one. As a matter of fact, I need to get one. But they do make the body shirts that look like button downs. I'm gonna link one of those below too. You can buy one, and I'm gonna buy me one. So get that. Okay, for this next look is something that I spoke about before in like a previous video, are a pair of statement jeans. So when I say statement jeans, means something not so basic, something fun, something with the print, or just some element to the jeans that will give you a different look than your everyday jean, and a tank top, crop top, whatever you choose to wear with it, and a nice moto jacket. We know moto jackets, you can definitely wear them in the spring, and they are great for the fall as well. But a statement pair of jeans, a nice moto jacket, and the shoe of your choice and bag are a good option for spring as well, and I'm going to show you in this next look. So this is what I mean by a statement jean. This here is like a jogger jean. I guess that's what you could call it, because it's like a jogger in the front, and then it's denim in the back. I paired it with my mules again. I put on a crop tank top. You can use a full tank top, whatever your choice is. And I just threw this moto jacket over my arms. I draped it to make it a little less casual, but you definitely can wear this look casual as well. These pants have elastic in the bottom of it, so you can open them up and you can definitely wear it like a wide leg. If you want to wear it with a pair of flats or a pair of sneakers, you can definitely pull this off. But yeah, just a statement jean, pair of shoes, a bag of your choice, and a nice moto jacket will go great for the fall, especially in the nighttime, okay? So yes, this is it. And I found these for you guys, and they will be linked below as well. Okay, so we are coming to an end. This was my last look. I will have some pictures at the end of this to show you other spring outfit ideas that you can use to transform from winter to the springtime. So stay and watch to the end so you can see some of those outfits, because you may be able to implement those in your wardrobe too, or find something in your closet that's comparable. I hope this video was helpful and into detail to show you how you take pieces that I know you have, it may not be the same, but something similar that's in your own closet, and implement it into wearing it from one season to the next season, or all year round if you can for some of these items. But shop your closet, like I always stress to you guys in every one of these videos, because there's something in there that we can wear. And if you just don't have anything, it's okay to go out and pick up a few things, but pick up things that's transitional that you can wear more than one season. What am I talking about, seasoning? You can wear more than one season, so you can get your cost per wear, okay? Because that's what we're trying to do. And we're not gonna be doing, we gotta wait for something special to wear our things. Put that shit on, sis, and wear it. You know, 2025, we're not gonna do this. We're gonna wear the clothes, we're gonna have fun, we're gonna look good, and we're gonna go out. And I don't care if it's only the Costco, okay? We're gonna wear our shit. So, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And before I go, I just wanted to give a shout out to all my new subscribers. I see you guys. I appreciate you. I see you liking, a comment, and sharing. And you know, my A1 from day ones, you come here every week to show love no matter what I'm posting. I appreciate you guys. And like I always say, I love you for free. Stay tuned.
I put that on my